How to factory reset your Samsung S24 Ultra using phone settings. Open the app drawer on the device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to general management. Tap the general management. Again scroll down. Here you can find the reset option. Tap the reset. Now scroll down again. At the bottom end you can see the factory data reset. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. So make sure backup your important data to other device or your Google account or Samsung cloud before factory reset your Samsung device. Now tap the factory data reset. Now here you can see the list of all data that will erase from your phone like Google account, Samsung account, downloaded apps, music, pictures, service provider apps, content. Also see the list of your Gmail account data or application. Now scroll down, tap the reset button. Now unlock your pattern. Now at the bottom end you can see the delete all option. All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. So make sure to backup your important data. After that, tap on the delete all button. It will completely remove your phone's data and reset it to factory defaults. So tap on the delete all to factory reset your Samsung S24 Ultra and any other latest Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.